Hey guys, here at Nichehacks, we're always trying to convince people to look at examples that set the golden standard. In a recent article, there was a breakdown of 22 successful affiliate website examples that are making $10 million or more in 2020. Here are just a few of them. So number one, Headphones Addict. Headphones Addict is an amazing review and affiliate site that only focuses on headphones. This is a great example of picking the right affiliate marketing niche. While the site operates in the review space, it's extremely focused, which adds to success. The site racks in an insane amount of money. For Headphones Addict, it's all about affiliate commissions from Amazon associates. So clearly their focus is what drives their success. They also rely heavily on SEO, which is driving a majority of traffic straight to targeted review and comparison posts. Okay, number two, Everyday Carry. Focusing on a specific niche is critical. However, it's also important to consider the community that comes with that niche. Everyday Carry proves that tapping into the right audience has huge benefits. The site is dedicated to portable survival tools you bring to your everyday. This odd topic generates over 721,000 monthly visitors through organic channels like search and social media. The whole thing started out as a 2010 Tumblr blog, but it grew wildly popular within a community of survival experts and preppers that it now has an almost cult-like following. Always remember to devote yourself to a community. It's a huge part of niche picking process. All right, number three, Guitar Fella. Comparison posts are really the backbone for this site. Its singular niche is beating many of its competitors. Their relevant, category-specific content on guitars, amps, pickups, and more has Guitar Fella earning over 92% of its 500,000 plus monthly visits from search engines. The big takeaway is their content marketing. While they weren't performing well on social media, they poured everything into SEO and have found success in their focus on what was working. There are many more examples of successful affiliate websites making $10 million or more in 2020 that you'll find on our website at nichehacks.com. The article even provides detailed analysis and takeaways that you can use to apply to your site. Be sure to check it out. The link is in the description box below. As always, have a successful day and happy hacking.